Welcome back everyone. Today we are creating a immersive desert landscape, a scene that tells you a story of life thriving against all odds. So let's start with the light sky using soft blue and white and blend it gently together, creating a calm and airy background. Keep the transition smooth. It's all about setting the tones for the vast desert below. So now add the hint of the desert using muted sandy tones, soft begins and yellow. Keep the stroke light and horizontal to capture the flat and endless experience. So in the background we painted some dead trees using dark green for the leaves and rich brown for the trunks. So these trees are tiny and subtle, just enough to suggest life thriving in the distance. So now let's create the star of the scene, a big strong tree standing tall in the desert, and use deep green for the leaves and the depth, and the brown, and I use the black color to create the darkness and the strongness of this tree. This tree is symbolizes life and resilience even in this harsh condition. So this resilience is look very beautiful. So don't forget to paint its shadow. To complete the foreground we added two prominent date trees. These trees show the richness and the beauty of life in the distance and in the desert, and let the greens pop and stand bold together. The frame the scene is look so beautiful because I painted it very gently. So now let's begin. Let's bring it all together with highlighted and subtle textures in the sand and add some details to make the painting feel alive and very immersive. So, and there you have it, a peaceful desert landscape full of life and beauty. Thank you for the painting with me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creating adventures. Until next time, keep creating.